Did you feel that increased humidity today? Certainly the air you can wear, the phrase we like to use for days like today where the moisture levels are just extremely high. And look what that moisture has done. We've produced some scattered showers and storms for a better part of the day, but now we're looking at a major flash flooding event occurring right near the Sterling Rock Falls area. This area of thunderstorms has just been nearly stationary the last hour and a half. And that's why we have a flash flood warning that is in effect for Sterling Rock Falls, just to the east of Linden and Prophetstown. That'll go until 12:45 tomorrow morning. Look at how much rain Doppler radar has estimated has fallen, especially out here. If you're familiar with Sauk Valley Community College, that's where radar has estimated more than 3.5 inches of rain in just the last 2 hours. It's no wonder we're getting reports of roads being closed north of Sterling, and also Rock River Estates and Dixon also completely underwater at this time. So if you're in the Sterling Rock Falls area and near Dixon, if you're still watching us there, flooding going to continue here for the next few hours before this storm complex finally dwindles. And it will do that. It's doing it now that we've lost the heat of the sun and we're getting a little less in the way of dynamics. But this stationary boundary is not moving anywhere. And that means we're going to see a repeated chance of more storms as we head into our Sunday. And these are what we call air mass storms. Notice they didn't move much today. The reason for that is we have some very weak winds aloft. A storm will quickly form, but it moves very slowly, and that means it's going to produce a lot of heavy rainfall. Then what happens is we get the cool air rushing out from that dissipating storm, and it forms kind of a mini cold front, and that allows even more storms to form once one collapses. So that's what we're going to see over the next few days. It won't be until about Tuesday when we see more widespread activity. The reason we're stuck in this pattern is we have two areas of high pressure to our east, one with some cool dry air, another one with some steamy air, and it's the steamy one that's winning out. In fact, look at the dew point values, those dark greens. That's very tropical like moisture that's in place. So that means the threat for heavy rain is certainly going to be here for not only tomorrow, but it looks like for much of the week ahead. Future track for the rest of tonight, keeping things quiet once that storm complex dissipates. Into tomorrow morning, it's quiet, but by the afternoon, we'll pop some more scattered showers and storms. There'll be another chance for some locally heavy rainfall with this activity, and then we'll dissipate it as we head into Sunday night. Better chance for organized severe weather will be to our west, but still can't rule out the possibility of some flash flooding, perhaps some damaging wind on an isolated basis as we get into your Sunday tomorrow. But a very warm night ahead of us, still in the 70s, and we won't go much farther down than that. With temperatures staying in the upper 60s tonight, storms will be coming to an end, only to refire as we go into tomorrow afternoon. We'll keep things nice and toasty with highs well into the 80s, heat index values back in the 90s. In the 90s, well, that's kind of the theme we're going with for next week, because that's where temperatures are staying nearly every single day, and also a chance for showers and storms every single day. But Tuesday holds the best chance in terms of the most coverage. So if you're looking for rainfall and you don't get it before then, Tuesday will be your day. We'll temporarily break this stormy pattern for next weekend, but we won't break the heat and humidity. That's going to continue, and then the storms will rejoin us once again a week from Monday. Your 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by Erickson Chevrolet in Milan, still rolling on with that streak, now up to $540 for our charity. Again, if you're in Sterling Rock Falls, watch out for some floodwaters the next couple hours. Luke?
All right.